Saturday, the 27th of February, 2026. Hog Mountain Road, Georgia Highway 53, heading into Watkinsville at Butler's Crossing. We haven't gotten a night or a late afternoon video in a while, so we came over to Watkinsville to get a Marco's Pizza meatball bake. I've really enjoyed their meatball bakes and their pizzas, so we figured we'd get a video in the process. It is 7 o'clock, I guess 60 something degrees, coming up to Butler's Crossing. The varsity's there on the right. It's not that crowded, and they do have sit down area. That's the old Burger King there, the old Burger King, so they do have sit down area there. Temperature is 58 degrees. Been a very nice day. Started off sort of cloudy, but very nice day. Experiment Station Road to the right, Mars Hill Road to the left. And I said Georgia 53 goes to the right here, and then dead ends over there in Watkinsville. And going back the other way, 53 cuts all the way across the top of Georgia in a long arc. Goes through a bunch of those towns all across over there. Houston, Brazel, not, well, part of Brazel, yeah, Brazelton, Houston, Oakwood, Gainesville, Dawsonville, Jasper, Fairmount, on down through Rome, then on over into Alabama. We have most of that, if not all of it. Let's pause this while we're waiting on this light. We're in the 2019 Express van. Unless something changes, we've decided to keep this one and one of the other vans, probably the 98. It's got 180,000 miles on it, but those engine and transmissions at 4L80E transmission is a very good transmission. That 5.7 engine, I can't find anything else wrong with it. It's got a little oil leak, but it's a passenger van with all the glass. It's got the auxiliary heat and air conditioning in the back. I've still got to fix the air conditioning, but pretty much everything else I may need to put a water pump on it. It's doing fine, that and power steering, but I hit the road. I may want to put them on there before I hit the road, shake the brakes. We've tuned it up, get a new alternator, new radiator. We've done several things to it that it needed. We could end up selling it. I don't know what we'll end up doing yet, but I wanted to go ahead and sell that 95 Grand Cherokee that we bought new, and the seats that we took out of the 93 Grand Wagoneer, ZJ Grand Wagoneer. Free up a little money, get rid of some insurance that we don't, we got a bunch of these vehicles, so we can't drive but one at a time, but we're having to pay for all of them like we're driving them. We're using the S22Ultra to video this. I guess we could go down 316 and go down through part of Athens just for the heck of it for Friday night. I didn't say Saturday a while ago, did I? It was Friday the 27th. may just get back on the loop, head back over to the Frank's shop, settle in for the evening, get this video uploaded, and get some other stuff done. We want to get this one cleaned out. It is not much back there, but get it cleaned out and start to go ahead and get this one ready for a road trip. We'd like to maybe leave out on a road trip. Like to leave out tomorrow, but we've waited too long to do that, so maybe Sunday or Monday leave out on a road trip. Head to South Georgia, maybe into Central Florida, and depending on how this van does, maybe even all the way on down to the Everglades during the dry season before it gets too hot. Maybe a little bit late for migratory birds. They've probably already started back north, but I've only been to Key West once. I guess we could ride down to Key West just for the heck of it. Take us several hours to do it. I think it's what, 150 miles all the way down. Only time I've ever been was Mother and Daddy and my brother Wayne and I in that 57 Ford Fairlane 500. Daddy won at the Save gas station up on Beaufort Highway. I was headed out there when I was doing the wind mitigation inspections in Florida, but it was one of the holidays, and it was on I guess it was on a Sunday, and I was talking to a guy on the way out there, and he said, well, if you're going to leave today, you better go now, because all the people that come down here from Miami for the weekend, they're going to be heading back this afternoon, and it's going to be a bad rush hour heading back up to Miami. So we just turned around right then and headed back. And we weren't doing road videos at that time. We did one or two Everglades videos then, but we didn't do much of anything. I wished we had, and I wish we had gotten more video when we were in New Jersey doing Sandy and Irene. But we didn't do that either. And when we came back from Sandy, when we came back through Gettysburg, I wish I'd stayed the night and spent the rest of the next day at the battlefield. Yeah, we'll just catch the loop and head back. What we got, this is 8 minutes. We may go until we get off the loop, about 15 minutes, maybe something like that. Get this one uploaded when we get back. There were some interesting clouds, and it's still dark over there. I don't know whether we're going to have more rain this weekend or what, but interesting dark clouds behind us when we were on our way over here. And you can tell by the way the sky is now, these clouds have moved in more. It was still raining this morning. We had a lot of rain yesterday, last night. Yeah, you can see. You can tell it's cloudy. You waited till the last minute to decide you wanted to get on, didn't you? You see, that's a lot clearer now. That was looking at that. It was looking like it was like the lens was fogged up or something. Like I said, our main focus is to, try to get historical documentation or historical archives of the country the way it is now for the future. Georgia is growing so much, so fast, it's just unreal. We're starting starting to use our Insta360X5 more, using the full spherical view, virtual reality view, immersive 360 view. File sizes are huge. Takes a long time to process, takes a long time to upload. A lot of gigabytes eating up our hotspot. And storage, we need storage desperately. We need another SSD, 4 terabytes. That'll last us a couple of months. A road trip, I'm having to delete a lot of video now. I hate it, but I don't have anywhere to store it. Doing a lot of construction on the loop, especially right here at US 78. I guess they call this West Broad in Athens. I've always called it US 78. US 78, US 29. And see, now they take 316 and the loop is 29. And I guess 78 around the loop too. And old 78's business 78, I guess. Yeah, we'll get off at Prince Avenue and turn this off. It looks like it'll probably be, what, 15 minutes? 16, 17 minutes? Coming down the hill to the middle Oconee River. They're redoing these bridges down here, raising them up higher. With the growth in Athens, they need to be adding a third lane to the loop all the way around. Athens and Jefferson are growing together. Athens and Atlanta are growing together, coming to 78. Walton County is finally starting to grow. It took forever, but Walton has gas almost all the way out to the Appalachian River. They've been running utilities. Fiber optic, gas, water. Walton is primed for a huge expansion. I don't know what Oconee is going to do with all of its water treatment it needs to treat. I don't know if they're pumping it somewhere to Athens or somewhere else. I don't know what they're doing, what their plan is for the future, but the way Oconee is growing, they're going to have to do something. I figure they'll probably do something on the Appalachian River. But that's just a guess. They've got to do something with 441, 129 going down through Bishop. It is a nightmare down there trying to get through Bishop. And just trying to get through Watkinsville. The regular bypass just isn't enough. Going south, they need to do something about north. So let traffic go down 15. Highway 15 is really busy. I like that Highway 15 drive all the way down to into South Georgia. It is nice. We do that a lot, and then we'll take 57 from Wrightsville over to, well, either to 16 and go 16, 95 to, or either stay on 57 and go all the way down to Ludowici or on over to Townsend. Gets us right down to where we like to go. we get off up here at Prince, we're going to go ahead and turn this one off. It'll be a wrap. We'll get it uploaded when we get back to the shop. 16, 17 minute video. It'll probably take a couple of hours. About 15 minutes to process. Yeah, 129 from Athens to Jefferson is getting just slapped full of traffic. All the development on it. I mean, there's a huge chunks of land for sale. A couple of 2,000 plus residential subdivisions going in. That two new Publix. Big new park, Jackson County Park. You know, 129 between Jefferson and Athens is going to be like 124 between Snellville and Lawrenceville. Okay, we've cleared the loop. Let's go ahead and turn this off. This will be a wrap.